mabilisan lang na explanation kasi paalis ako may pupuntahan ako. Kaya hindi ako masyadong fanatiko nitong MCB kasi when you put this down, the negative and the positive connected to whatever part, kunyari ito, the negative and the positive will also be connected at the same time. Ang mangyayari, if you have battery monitors which rely on the negative side, always na-connect, katulad ng mga shunt, ang shunt lagi directly on the negative side lagi ang mga shunt, and then battery terminal, and then all of the loads connected to the shunt, they are always connected on the negative side. So if you're using ganito na Foxwell BT630 and then you're sending data to other devices via Bluetooth, they need to be connected always at the negative side. The supply ng Foxwell is etong maliit na wire na to. Maliit lang siya. So, para mapatay mo si system, kunyari, ang papatayin mo lang the solar system lang, not the shunt, never the shunt, kasi the shunt will be monitoring what's happening You don't need an MCB. Kasi when you turn this off, patay lahat. Oo nga, safe nga, pero you need to have something working like the monitoring stages Mahina kasi dito sa Pilipinas, bihira ang mga ganitong monitoring na they have negative ground or reference to ground yung sinasabi. Kaya ang gusto ko, just lift the positive side. Ang ginagamit ko is yung mga breakers na DC breakers na ang nililift lang is only the positive side. Kasi pag DC naman, na yan mata-terminate na niya yung circuit even if you lift the DC side, the positive of the DC side. Wala nang dadaloy dyan. So why are you limited to using MCBs? Because MCBs are the common. Kaya ito ang takbuhan ng bayan. Common kasi. May reasons kung bakit If you are really into developing your system, wag maging limited sa setup dahil nakasanayan, dahil yun yung common, dahil ito yung ginagawa ng karamihan. Wag ganun. Maging malawak. Maraming mga MCB tuloy. Maraming mga circuit breakers na magaganda na wala nga dito sa Pilipinas kahit ako nadi-discover ko na lang din, kaya ako sineshare. Wag po magagalit, do not bash, because unang-una, you don't know what reference to ground means. Sige, i-lift mo everything, lifted lahat. How will you monitor the system once it's lifted? What's happening na? Can you tell? Wala ka ng monitoring device na nakaka-connect sa ground Wala nang nagpapatakbo dun paano kung lifted na lahat tapos may parasitic loss pala yung system mo? Paano mo monitor na may kumakain pa rin kahit lifted na? Wala, hindi na nila alam. That's what I'm telling. Kaya ang mga systems ng iba, very inefficient. Tingnan mo yung sa akin. 3,000 watts lang, pero I can power loads reaching up to 200 amperes or more, even 337 amps from a system like this, na ang battery ko is only 200 amp hour, yung apat na puti. Calb cells pa nga yun if you don't know what calb cells is, it's a deteriorating battery. 80% na lang binebenta ng China kasi hinugot na from the system whatsoever, kung saan end of life na kasi yun, tapos parang decommissioned cells na sila, tapos binebenta na lang kasi may natitira pang lakas. Yun ang calb cells, kaya sila mura. Kung brand new bibilhin mo, di mas mahal. Kaya please naman, malawak lang, lawakan lang natin, walang bashan. Kung idea mo yon, kung opinion mo yon, then for your system, ganun gawin mo. Pero ako, I am showing what I am doing in my system. Ito ngayon, hindi ito ang ginawa ko eh. Kasi ito, pinagawa ko to, small solar setup lang. Bumili ako. Worth magkano for a small solar setup. Ito yung package na binigay. Dati, 1,000 watt lang yan. In-upgrade ko. And then, may nag-donate nito. So, in-upgrade ko. Ito, na-retain kasi I don't have the wires yet at that time. Pero ngayon, unti-unti ko siyang iniiba. Kasi nga, yung mga inefficiencies ng system, tinatanggal ko. Elejoy, nag-iisa. Sa dalawang 550 nakakabit dyan. So, dual panel yan. 550 ang isa. Sa isang Elejoy lang, sabi nila, hindi pwede. Pero ginawa ko, pwede. So, wag maging limited. Okay, guys? Share lang. Negative ground yan. Reference to ground yan. I don't lift the negative on the DC side. Sorry guys. Pero ganun set up ko eh. Kung kayo nililift nyo yung negative side on the DC, sila yun. Ako, hindi.